I knew I wanted to work with animals. And so I saw the VMA program and I started looking a lot more into it. And I really liked some of the things that they offered. And that's why I'm so glad I enrolled in this program, because it showed me so many avenues. It showed me large animal, it showed me exotics, it showed me rescue. And I love all of that. And I even went to an emergency practice for my practicum.
Here at NAIT, the students have lecture class time that they have, computer work, and they do a lot of helping in the clinic situation with live patients as well. They help with the admissions, getting animals housed in the proper kennels, helping with appointments, helping with restraining, nail trims, blood collections, and also helping in surgery prep.
I think the graduates we have here from NAIT are excellently prepared for their job here in a veterinary clinic. They are very thoughtful and helpful with the owners. They can help them go through stressful experiences, for example, if we have a trauma patient coming in.
So NAIT, they made us aware of different situations that might come up. And that really did prepare me for, emergency situations in the field here, just keeping a level head and helping my clients stay calm as well.
The students are very well prepared to deal with clients, starting from making an initial phone call, following through to remind clients of the appointment, getting the appropriate paperwork, and they will also do follow-up calls, check to see how their patient is doing after the appointment.
They can help our patient owners go through the experience here in the clinic, accompanying them to the exam and afterwards as well as for some things like restraining an animal if needed, if we have somebody who needs, for example, to have some blood taken or for nail trims.
Every day is really different. Some days you'll find me, most of my day I'll be cleaning. Some days I'll be running around answering the phones and helping restrain animals. And some days it's just sitting at the front desk and helping out my favorite clients.
I loved the program when I first started looking at it, so I'm really glad that I went with the medical assistant. It was so fast-paced, like every day was a new surprise. It really changed me and made me look at what I want to do in my life and what kind of practice I want to be in.
They have been really contributing to what we are doing here, helping patients and their owners through experiences at the vet clinic.
I feel that my clients and patients have benefited from my training because I feel like I'm a good facilitator for communication between the RVTs, the doctors, and the clients. What I like most about the job, I think, is that it does change every day. It's never the same. It's always something different, and you're always learning new things.
When I put on my scrubs and I do this job, I don't do it for money. I don't do it for really anything. I do it for the animals because I love them so much. And I think I want to keep doing and persisting at it because of them and making the world just a little better for them.